He's trying. Ah! Come on!
Don't fall into it. Good morning. It's been snowing like 8 hours. Not much accumulation on the ground, a little bit, but windy. Wow, there's so many people working on it. We just got back from doing the dog salad. It is so windy outside. Like on Canal Street, I literally couldn't even like walk forward. I had to walk facing backwards because it was just hitting my face. It hurt so bad. But the boys loved it. They were trying to run around a lot, so I'm excited to bring them back out later today. Hopefully when there's a little bit more snow, they can play in it at the park and everything. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy the view of the blowing around snow, and I'm gonna get some work done, hopefully. Yeah, maybe eat something. Who knows? We'll see. That was a lot more snow than I expected. Come on, Charlie, let's go. Did you alright?
He's trying. Ah! Come on! Yeah! Oh, almost.
You would think he'd try to shovel it a little.
Come on.
Why are you straightening out?
Why did you go right there?
I'm
Come
so
on.
confused.
Come on. Come on. Oh my God, dude. If I betted on you, I would lose so much money. Okay, he's
Maybe they're not trying to leave?
losing confidence. Push! Push! Push!
Do you think he's just trying to push the snow away?
Whoa, look at that. You see that car?
No.
He went down the road. He slid just like a little bit. I don't know if that was his. Okay, I think he's getting up. He's like open his car door. What is that?
I feel like instead of shoveling, he's just trying to push the snow away.
Into the road and like clear like a.
If he was leaving, I feel like he would clear his windshield. I think he's just trying to move the snow away. Wow, could it go any slower?
Oh my god. Some of these operators.
Did you see the one that when
Some will go fast, some will
when we got on at Copley yesterday? It like flew in.
go. Yeah.
This train is 8th Street VA Medical Center.
Gosh. What's that? Don't fall into it! Get up! Babe, get up!
That'll forever be my mark.